How to send large files through email on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Mail application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the new message icon. Here, type in the name of the person you want to mail to. And then, type in the subject. For example, attachment. Then, tap on the message box. Now, go to your keyboard and tap on the arrow on the right. Tap on the attachment icon as shown. Here, tap on Photo Library. You can choose photos and videos from your camera roll over here to attach to your email. Select the photo or video that you want and then tap on Done at the top right corner. You have now successfully attached this video to your email. After that, tap on the arrow button at the top right to send the email. Following these steps, you can easily send large files through email on iPhone.